What is cancer and how does it occur? Informative about science and health, prepared by the editors of a page All Scientifical. Cancer is a category of disease characterized by chaotic, uncontrolled, and rapid cell development. As a rule, the full name of a cancer is supplemented with the name of an affected organ, for example, pancreatic cancer, lung cancer, liver cancer. Usually, in any tissue or organ of a body, cells multiply constantly, young cells replacing old ones. This process is regulated by genes and is a well-organized mechanism. The so-called oncogenes can change the structure mutation, which cause continuous cell reproduction. This is how cancers occur. Unfortunately, scientists do not always understand why mutations occur. Some mutations are considered sudden, but others appear as a result of the influence of external factors: radiation, radioactive radiation, sun rays, natural and synthetic substances, viruses. Mutation of oncogene is not sufficient to cause an oncological disorder because the body has protective mechanisms, anti-oncogenes. Anti-oncogenes counteract oncogenes and create balance, but their action is considered effective if only one mutation is observed in the body. If we are talking about a lot of mutations, then the action of the anti-oncogene is ineffective. When the anti-oncogene fails, oncogene lead to cancer. How does cancer appear? When a cell becomes carcinogenic, it begins to multiply, giving rise to other carcinogenic cells. In the early stage of a cancer cell reproduction, the body can fight back by using some white blood cells, phagocytes. These cells recognize carcinogenic cells, as in the case of microbes, fungi, and destroy them. Thus, there is a race in the body between the immune system and cancer cells. If cancer cells win the race, the cancer develops. For this reason, patients will reduce the immunity, are at increased risk of infection but also of malignant tumors. The reproduction of these cells will never stop. After the first cycle of abnormal multiplication of cancer cells, a sudden recovery is considered unlikely. This is the difference between benign and malignant tumors. Benign tumors are also formed as a result of abnormal cell reproduction, but this process is limited in time and space, for example, warts. What does cancer involve? As a rule, the evolution of cancer is long-term. Often, the first signs of disease occur after many years from the onset of cancer. As the disorder progresses, the cancerous tissue becomes autonomous and self-regulates its own needs and mechanisms, initiating neighboring healthy cells to producing carcinogenic cells. Cancer cells can even detach from their structure and migrate to other organs through the blood or lymph vessels. This migration can give rise to other cancerous foci, leading to metastasis. At this stage, cancer is considered common. What is carcinogenesis? Carcinogenesis is a phenomenon consisting of many mechanisms that transform healthy cells into a cancerous one. Carcinogenesis is responsible for the abnormal reproduction of cancer cells and their chaotic distribution throughout the body, metastasis. As a rule, it consists of several phases with a long duration. Anomalies and mutations occur at the level of oncogene, and every year new differences are noticed between healthy cells and cancer cells. The complexity of this process of cancer occurrence is becoming clearly every day, and treatment provides more and more new perspectives. What is a metastasis? Some cancer cells can migrate from the site of a tumor to other organs, giving rise to other tumors. This process is called metastasis. As a rule, a migration of carcinogenic cells to healthy cells occurs through the lymphatic system, lymph nodes. Carcinogenic cells can also move around the body and through the blood. In this case, the risk of metastasis is increased in any part of the body. Thank you for your attention. This material was prepared on the basis of material from the page All Scientific. Attention, this material is for informational purposes only. When observing various unusual symptoms, it is recommended to consult a doctor. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.